In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. Specifically, you'll learn how to place an image into the header of a Google Docs document using a simple copy and paste workflow. This is a quick way to add branding, a logo, or a banner that automatically appears on every page. Start by identifying the image you want to use. It can already be in your document or somewhere else you can copy from. Click the image once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the small blue handles around the edges. With the image selected, copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use the standard keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Either way, the goal is to get that image onto your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Now move to the very top of your document. Double-click at the top margin area to open the header. When the header is active, you'll see a faint boundary and your cursor will appear inside that space. This is where the image will live, and anything you place here will repeat across all pages by default. Right-click inside the header and choose Paste. If you prefer shortcuts, paste with your usual keyboard command. The image will appear directly in the header. At this point, you're essentially done. The image is now part of the header and will carry over to every page in your document. From here, you can fine-tune the look without leaving the header. Drag the image corners to resize while holding Shift to maintain proportions. Use the alignment options to center or align it left or right. If the image is pushing text around, check the image toolbar for text wrapping options. Inline often keeps headers tidy, while wrap text gives more flexibility for positioning. Keep an eye on margins so the image doesn't extend beyond the printable area. A few helpful tips: if something doesn't look right, make sure you actually clicked inside the header before pasting. If paste appears grayed out, try the edit menu or your keyboard shortcut. If your browser asks for clipboard permissions, allow access so pasting works smoothly. Also, if you don't see the header on screen, enable print layout from the view menu to preview how it will print. That's all there is to it. Copy the image, open the header by double-clicking the top of the page, and paste. With a couple of quick adjustments, your document will have a clean, consistent header on every page.